TGIF, happy Friday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I'm really excited about today's video. We have, I feel like, some great job leads. We have companies like Shake Shack. We have free people hiring. I have two different jobs from Starbucks. Starbucks is paying $8,500 a month, and that is on the low end. Pay can go up from there. We're going to dive all in. As always, if you need links to any of the pages that I'm sharing, timestamps, all additional information can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel searches all of the job boards daily, trying to weed out the scams, find the best remote work from home jobs, and bringing them to you on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and you can always let me know if you enjoy anything that I share by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, or leaving something in the comments. First up today, though, we have the Hilton Grand Vacations hiring. Hilton has 1,400 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote work from home document services coordinator. Now, their website is a little bit difficult to navigate. You have tabs about the company, what we will be doing, what they're looking for, and then as far as benefits and perks. And so you have to click on each one to read all the description, and then you can apply on the sidebar here. But they are looking for somebody to perform legal audits of contracts, making sure that that contract is complete. So you'll be reading through these contracts, verifying all financial terms and title requirements are in adherence with the company's underwriting guidelines. You'll redact or remove any personal identifying information from bank, credit card information, things like that. And you're going to be entering audit findings into their system. So you are basically proofreading all these documents, removing information where needed, adding information where needed, and just performing an overall check of legal contracts. Now, as far as what they're looking for, no college degree is needed for this. Just somebody who's a high school diploma or GED, great people skills, somebody who has great communication skills. Now, if you have, if you're a notary public or have different timeshare experience or things like that, that would be helpful, but it's not required. Now, sadly, Hilton did not list pay. I don't work for any of these companies. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. However, they do offer benefits like health insurance and stuff starting on your first day of employment. Now, next up, if you're looking to kind of answer some emails, some website live chats, Teachable is hiring. Teachable is an online platform that offers different courses that people can take, like self-paced courses from their favorite influencers and creators. Teachable has 71 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a product support specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States. And basically, a product support specialist is going to engage and do that customer service through their various channels, which is email, live chat, and occasionally you're going to have to do some virtual meetings like WebEx and Zoom type meetings to provide solutions for the customers. So this might mean helping them with tech issues, getting them started, maybe helping them with your account, because Teachable, you do like a monthly subscription or whatever, just like you do with Netflix or anything else. So maybe they need to update their payment information, cancel their membership, any kind of things that they need to do. You will also help with updating different help center articles where then they can help themselves, or updating any other resources that you can then give to the customer. They can read and keep with them. Just overall customer support. They are looking for somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of product supports, like software as a service or as a solution environment. Someone who has great communication skills, someone who can be a problem solver and work in a fast-paced environment. Now, pay is $27.76 an hour for this one. Now, keeping it moving on this beautiful Friday morning, next up we have Shake Shack hiring. Shake Shack has 1,900 reviews, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a crunch time administrator. Again, this is remote for the United States. Now, Crunch Time is their information system or their internal computer system database that they use. It is the software application suite that helps control the food, beverage, and labor cost for all of their Shake Shack restaurants. And so they are looking for somebody to really just work remotely, executing that data maintenance in the computer system, like adding new products to the system, adding new recipes, entering and updating, changing vendor information, managing vendor order guides, setting up like new restaurant locations in the system. So a lot of data entry into the system. You're just making sure that their Crunch Time system is in sync, up to date, and is running smoothly so that you can monitor the data transfer, because all of the restaurants are going to be connected into this system and getting those real-time information. So you're going to help create training materials as needed that will keep all of the workers at the restaurants up to date on the new features and what has been added into the system. Now, while they prefer a bachelor degree, it's not required. Only a high school diploma or GED is required, and 2 to 4 years of some kind of work experience. They're looking for somebody who is self-motivated, has great people skills, can be a strategic thinker, somebody who can be a problem solver, and they really want somebody who has knowledge of software, basic accounting principles, and of course you've got to be able to use basic computer systems like Microsoft Office, Excel, things like that. Pay for this one ranges from $69,215 a year up to $88,265 a year. Now, next up, we have the clothing brand Free People Hiring. They have 1,600 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. Free People is looking for a copywriter assistant. Now, this is going to be a temporary position, but it is remote for the United States and it is non-phone. They're looking for somebody to write descriptions for a large selection of their products, like their beauty products, their apparel and clothes, their accessories on the Free People's digital property. So like their website, things like that. You're going to write these descriptions, making sure they're error-free for 30 to 40 products each day. You're going to own various different product categories, assisting copywriters with balancing their workload, and you're going to add an at-a-glance product highlight. So you're kind of given a product summary. You've got to come up with the summary. And then you're going to do some research and fact-check product specifications, making sure they're 100% accurate. So maybe like the measurements of sleeves on a shirt or something like that, sleeve length. You will have to fact check and make sure everything that you are writing about a product in the description is correct and accurate. Now, they're just looking for somebody who has great English language, grammar, and spelling, somebody who can write quickly, meet deadlines, somebody who is self-motivated, great communication skills. They do want somebody who has some knowledge in like fashion or designer trends. Of course, great attention to detail. And sadly, this one did not list pay either. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And of course, Starbucks probably needs no introduction. They have 79,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. And I have 2 different jobs to share with you from them. First up, Starbucks is looking for a senior manager for their digital ordering and creative operations, again, remote for the United States. Now, this one pay starts at $102,300 a year, goes up to $193,000 a year. $102,000 a year is $8,500 a month. And with this position, Starbucks is looking for a manager to lead their digital ordering team, making sure that they're successful through their seasonal product launches and making sure that there is no friction in the menu experiences that happens through the mobile app, Starbucks.com, Uber Eats, and DoorDash channels. So all of those digital channels that Starbucks uses to allow people to order, you're kind of managing the menu experiences for the customers through those. You're working and building relationships with marketing, product, technology teams, making sure that there is continuous improvement for the digital ordering platforms. So you'll have to like make sure there's no glitches with the prices, the ordering. Once they place the order, it gets printed at the correct location that they ordered from. Just making sure that all that technology is up and running smoothly so that you can really support the growth and development of the team. Now, this does not require any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has quite a years of experience, though. They're looking for somebody who has 6 years of experience as like product owners or managers, somebody who has 6 years of experience working across technology or in a marketing kind of practice, somebody who has project management skills, and somebody who has team development experience, like you've coached and really helped make someone better. If managing people, though, and technology is not your thing, Starbucks is also hiring someone to answer the phones and work within their HR department. They're looking for a shared services analyst for their partner contract center. Again, remote for the United States. Pay for this one, though, is anywhere from $23.37 an hour up to $39.66 an hour. And with this one, it's going to be more of like a call center type environment. You're answering inbound phone calls, delivering quality service, creating a positive partner experience. But this is in the human resources realm. So you're really just applying critical thinking, active listening skills, diagnosing what the caller is calling about, what details need to be documented in the case management tool. So you are really you are taking the complaints and creating and opening these HR cases for policies, practices, benefits, pay, anything human resource related. So maybe someone has a discrepancy, their paycheck was wrong, and that needs to be investigated. Maybe someone wants to know the report that somebody is breaking a policy, a company policy, or maybe they just want more information about a policy, or maybe they just had a baby and want to know how to add their new baby to their insurance benefit policy. You will be handling all the human resources questions like that coming from people who work from Starbucks. So you've just got to navigate different computer systems, entering all of this data and troubleshooting their issues, trying to get them the best information that you can. So they are looking for somebody who has experience working in customer service or a call center, somebody who can solve problems, work in a fast-paced environment, and they really want somebody who's worked in human resources or case management before. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, but they do prefer a bachelor degree or some sort of education in the human resources space. Now, next up, we have Hanover Research hiring. Hanover Research has 297 reviews, an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a grants research associate. This is remote for the United States. They're really looking for somebody to work with their content directors and grant consultants, just providing research services for their higher education clients. This means you're going to be identifying and selecting sources of funding that align with the client's projects and needs. So you'll have to manage tight deadlines, making sure that the clients get the funding and information they need, all the deliverables on time. And you're just basically going to be doing a lot of research, exploring different creative solutions, and then preparing content, maybe presentations, and delivering it to the clients as needed. Now, this one is looking for someone who's a bachelor degree and 2 to 3 years of experience in like writing, editing, or grant writing or research, something along those lines. They really need somebody who has experience doing academic research, strong communication and fact-checking skills, somebody who is highly organized and can be a problem solver. Pay for this position starts at $49,812 a year, and depending on your experience and location, can go up to $55,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do always read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend ahead. Don't forget, though, if you enjoyed anything, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.